Recording.
You are now listening to the sounds of LS Chevrolet 254 on YouTube.
Thank y'all, and welcome to another episode of When Carburetors Rule the Earth. It was a long time ago. Don't let these boys fool you. It's an LS world now, and it ain't nothing you can do about it. And if you having problems with your car starting, let me remind you.
It might be the carburetor.
It might
be the carburetor.
turn me up.
It might be the carburetor.
Let's go. No, stop playing with me, boy. Y'all ain't ready. Can 10, get the strap. That's how we coming at you, carburetor boys. Know what I'm saying? Let me hear it for anybody in the audience that like some carburetors. Give me a hell yeah. Oh man, seems like you don't got too many on your side, my boy. So how about you just get the fuck out of here with that shit, son? Gone.